Hello, magandang buhay, grade 10. Our topic is about geometric sequence. So, here, ang hinahanap natin is the term dun sa position ng A sub n. Okay? So, what is the formula in finding the n term of a geometric sequence? So, ito yung ating formula. We have A sub n is equal to A sub 1 multiply to R. R is the common ratio raised to n minus 1. Okay? So, pwede rin nating isulat itong formula na to using the grouping symbol. We have A sub n equals A sub 1 multiply R raised to n minus 1. So, similar lang yan. Ang ginamit lang natin is the grouping symbol. Kumbaga, sineparate lang natin yung A sub 1 to R. Pero that means multiplication pa rin yung gagawin natin. Or yung gagamitin nating operation. So, let's have now example number 1. So let us find the eighth term of a geometric sequence. So dito, na-mention na kung anong klaseng sequence yung isosolve natin. Ngayon, ano ang hinahanap natin sa question number 1 or sa problem number 1? Ang hinahanap natin is the eighth term. So ano yung term na nandun sa pang-8th position? So, if we're going to write that in a notation, we have A sub 8. So, sino yung nandito sa A sub 8 na to? Okay? So, syempre, since ang hinahanap natin is the term, dun sa 8th position na yon, we're going to use this formula. Okay? So, ano yung mga needs natin? Ano yung mga kailangan natin to solve the 8th term? So, syempre, titingnan nyo lang yung formula. So, we have A sub n equals A sub 1. So, A sub n, ito yung A sub 8 natin yan. No? Yan yung A sub n natin. Yan yung hinahanap natin yung term. Equals A sub 1. So, unang kailangan natin is A sub 1. So, what is A sub 1 in the given sequence? Ito ang ating sequence. So, ang A sub 1 natin dyan is 24. Then, ano pa yung needs natin? Ano yung kailangan natin? We have R. So, ang R natin is, meron tayong formula dyan that is succeeding term divided by the preceding term. In other words, start tayo sa A sub 2 divided by A sub 1. So, alin dyan ang A sub 2 natin? A sub 2 is 12. Divide natin yan ng 24. Okay? So, syempre, if our answer is in fraction, check nyo kung pwede siyang i-divide. So, since si 12 hindi naman siya pwedeng i-divide ng 24, kasi that is an improper fraction, ang gagawin natin is to get the lowest term. So, ano ang lowest term ng 12 over 24? Anong pwede mag-divide sa 12 and 24? Highest number. Okay, we have 12. Pwede yung i-divide both ng 12. So, we have 1 over 2. So, ang R natin is 1 over 2. Next, ano pa yung kailangan natin in the formula? We have N. Ang N natin is yung hinahanap natin. Yung position niya. The position of that term. And that is 8. N is 8. So, okay na tayo sa given. Now, let us use the given and substitute this given dun sa ating formula. Okay? So, let's write again the formula. So, A sub n equals A sub 1 times R raised to n minus 1. So, substitute natin. We have A. Ang n natin is 8 equals A sub 1 is 24. R is 1 half times 1 half raised to n. Ang n natin is 8 minus 1. Okay? So, since we have here exponent, mag-start muna tayo sa exponent. We're going to subtract first yung 8 minus 1. So, we have A sub 8. We're going to rewrite this one equals 24. Rewrite lang. Times 1 half. Then, 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay? So, ngayon yan, using the PEMDAS rule, di ba? Ang PEMDAS rule is eto. Magkakaiba yan. Yan. Siyempre, kung titignan natin, hindi muna tayo mauuna sa multiplication. Mag-start tayo dito sa E. and that is exponent. Exponent, ang gagawin natin yan is kunin natin yung expanded form or yung product na makukuha natin sa 1/2 raised to 7. Okay, so ibig sabihin yan is we're going to multiply this one by itself. So multiply natin 1/2 ng 7 times. This is the expanded form. So 5 na yan, 6, 7. Okay? So pag mag-multiply kayo ng fraction, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, syempre, dahil 1 lahat yan yung nasa numerator niya, the answer there is 1 times 1 times 1 hanggang doon sa pang 7, we will get 1. Then, by 2 naman tayo, 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2 yun ha. 4 times 2, 8. Times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. Times 2, 64. Times 2, that will give us 128. So here, ang sagot natin sa 1 over 2 raised to 7 is 1 over 128. Ngayon, kung gagamit tayo ng calculator, kung ang calculator mo sa 4-liner, katulad nito, meron kayong makikitang fraction. Yan. Ito. So, syempre, bago nyo input yung fraction, maglagay muna kayo ng parentheses. And then, the fraction, symbol, 1 over 2. Then, close parentheses, click the exponent form, and that is 7. Yan. Equals lang natin. Diba? So, the answer there is 1 over 128. So, rewrite lang natin si 24. Then, the answer here is 1 over 128. Okay, now, let's multiply. So, ito, same lang naman yung tinuro ko before sa inyo. Automatic, this is invisible. 1. Multiply lang natin yan. Numerator times numerator. Denominator times denominator. So, a sub 8 equals 24 times 1. That will give us 24 over 1 times 128. That will give us 128. Okay, so if we have fraction, kailangan naka-lowest term. Kung pwede yung i-divide, then i-divide natin siya. Okay? So, ngayon yan, since it's a proper fraction, mag-iisip tayo ng number na pwede mag-divide sa 24 and 128. Much better kung mas malaking number. Kung hindi kaya ng mas malaking number, start kayo sa pinakamaliit na number muna hanggang lumit yung number nyo o yung fraction nyo. Okay, so pwede ba itong i-divide ng by 8? So, kung titingnan mo sa calculator, pwedeng i-divide yan ng by 8. So, may rule tayo doon, no? So, pwede ko nang i-divide ng by 8 yan. So, anong magiging sagot natin? So, a sub 8 equals, so 24 divided by 8, 3 over 128. Kung di-divide natin yan, divide by 8, that will give us 16. So, this is now your answer. So, yung nasa 8 term is 3 over 16. Okay? So, check natin. Paano naman ang paggamit ng calculator? So, type nyo lang yung 24 times yung fraction 1 over 128. Yan, close lang natin. That will give us 3 over 16. Okay? So, that's for the 8th term. So, the term in the 8th position is 3 over 16. Okay, next. Let's have number 2. Let us find the 10th term of the sequence 1,000, negative 500, 250, 250, and negative 125. So, first thing na gagawin natin is yung hinahanap muna natin. Susulat natin yung hinahanap. So, ang hinahanap natin dyan is the 10th term. So, pag sinabi natin 10th term, ito yung kanyang notation is a sub 10. So that means ang n mo dito is 10. Okay? So what are the given? So syempre ang given natin, magbabase lang tayo sa formula. So ang kailangan lang natin sa formula is a sub 1, r, at saka n. So a sub 1 natin is 1,000. R natin is, ang formula doon is a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. So ang a sub 2 natin is negative 500. Write the sign ha. Negative 500 over 1,000. So ito, this is proper fraction. So kailangan natin kunin ang lowest term. Ang pwede mag-divide sa kanila is, of course, 500. So 500 divided by 500, that will give us 1, yung sign, negative. 1,000 divided by 500, that will give us 2. So we have negative 1/2. Ang n natin is 10. Kasi yun yung pang 10th position. Okay? So once na nakuha na natin given, we can proceed now dun sa ating formula by substituting all the given. Already. A sub 10 equals, A sub 1 is 1,000 times R. R is negative 1/2. Don't forget the negative sign. Raised to n is 10 minus 1. Rewrite a sub 10 is equal to 1,000 times negative 1/2. Subtract nyo muna tong 10 minus 1. That will give us 9. Okay? Then afterwards, dito muna tayo sa exponent. So, dito muna bago nyo i-multiply sa 1,000. Okay, so that is a sub 10 equals 1,000 times, so negative 1/2. So, ibig sabihin nun, 9 na negative 1/2. So, pagkita natin yon, negative 1/2, let's use other color, blue na lang. So, negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 times negative 1/2 times negative 1/2. 4 na yan. 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9. Start muna tayo sa negative, no? So, negative times negative, positive. Times negative, negative. Times negative, that's positive. Times negative, hanggang mag-proceed tayo sa last, that will give us negative sign. Okay? So, basta tandaan nyo to. May rule tayo dito. Kapag ito ay negative, and then ito ay odd number. Pag sinabing odd numbers, these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on and so forth. Basta odd numbers yan, the answer is always negative. Kapag even number yan, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on and so forth, that will give us positive. No? So ngayon yan, since kanina na-solve na natin itong 1/2, yung 1/2 raised to 7, di ba yung pang 7 is 1 over 128. So yung gagawin na lang natin is imumultiply na lang natin ng 2 beses. So 128 times 2, that will give us 256. Times 2 mo ulit to, that will give us 512. So that is 1 over 512. So the answer is negative 1 over 512. Let's check. So parenthesis muna, fraction 1. Ay, wait lang, I forgot the negative. Negative fraction 1 over 2, close parenthesis, and then 9 as the exponent. So, tama. Okay? So, yun isusulat natin dito. We have negative 1 over 512. Next. A sub 10 equals, so, syempre, positive times negative. The answer is negative. Okay? So, 1,000, this is invisible 1. So 1,000 times 1, that will give us 1,000. Divided by 1 times 512, that is 512. Get the lowest term. Anong pwede mag-divide sa kanila? So, pwede naman i-divide nyo muna ng 2 kung nahihirapan kayo ng mas malaking number. So, hanggang lumit yung number natin. Okay? So, this will give us 500 over, so kung i-divide natin yan, 256. So, pwede pa rin yan i-divide ng by 2. So, hanggang lumit yung number nyo. So, a sub 10 equals negative 250 over 256 divided by 2, 128. Actually, pwede pa to. I-divide ng by 2. So, 250 divided by 2. Kung ilalagay natin yan, pwede nyo gamitin yung calculator nyo. Negative 250 divided by 128. That will give us negative 125 over 64. So, a sub 10 natin is negative 125 divided by 64. Or pwede nyo nang i-proceed dyan ng ganito. Negative. Or pwedeng diretso. Dito tayo. So, we have 1,000 times negative. Wait lang. Let's write first negative. Fraction 1 over 512. Close parenthesis. And this will give us negative 125 divided by 64. So, ang 10th term natin is ito. Okay, that's it for today.